So if you got 2022 or 2024, probably 2022 out Tundra, and you're having problems with the error message that pops up saying, do you want to adjust your seats? It's because your key fob is not programmed as a profile for the truck itself. So it doesn't know that your key fob is inside the truck. I mean, it does to start the vehicle, but it doesn't know what to do with it and what seat position. So we're going to go ahead and put the ignition on, and we're going to show you how to program it here, or at least link it. Mine's unlinked for whatever reason. They didn't do it at the dealership. So it's loading up right now. And then we're going to go to settings. And now you can see my profile is set up. You need the key with you, obviously. No profiles detected. So you go to personal information. And right now, if you scroll up, link key is grayed out. So what you're going to want to do with the key in the vehicle, not both keys, but the key that you want to program or link, then you want to slide that over. I think it said that because I tried to erase it, but now I linked the key. Now it doesn't say confirmed or it's done or anything like that, but now the key is linked and it will show up. For whatever reason, it wasn't linked from the get-go. So now it is linked and ready to go. So every time I pop in with my key, it knows where my seat setting is. It will no longer pop up that error message saying, do you want to adjust your seats? Yes or no. That gets really annoying. I know some people get the enter your PIN. That's different. The PIN should have been set up at the dealership at the very get-go. If your salesperson didn't do that, I'm sorry, but your salesperson did not do you any services there. My salesman at least did that, so that's great. But that's a totally different thing. So if you if it's popping up, it popped up to me one time, but I've heard a lot of people saying it's popping up almost every time they drive the truck. If that's the case, you need to set that password or the PIN code, and I think it's their default PIN code. Look at the manual. But either way, so now that's all you got to do. We're good to go. You can go back out, go wherever you want to go, and now your key's programmed, or at least your profile for your key is loaded in there. Now you can get your other key and set that up, and also load that in if you want to. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the questions. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any tips or tricks that you found that were not set up from the dealership, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below and help other people out. If this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.